Testing the true capacity of a 12-volt AGM battery.
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to test the true capacity of a 12-volt AGM, absorbent glass mat, battery. This process will allow you to determine the actual power output of your battery, even if it reads as being fully charged.
What do you need to conduct the test?
To perform this test, you will need a few essential tools. 1. Multimeter, for measuring the voltage and current. 2. Resistive load or a battery load tester. This is a device or an assembly used to simulate the battery's normal working conditions. This could be a 12-volt DC light bulb or a resistive heater. 3. Timer or stopwatch, to track discharge time.
What is the initial step?
Before beginning, ensure your battery is fully charged. This is important as a partially charged battery will not provide accurate results. You can confirm this by using a multimeter. A fully charged 12-volt AGM battery should read around 12.8 to 13.0 volts.
How to perform the test?
Firstly, connect the load to the battery. Ensure that the load's power rating does not exceed the battery's capacity, to avoid any damage. Start your timer as soon as the load is connected. Monitor the battery's voltage periodically with the multimeter. Remember, the battery's voltage will gradually decrease as the battery discharges. The test is complete once the battery voltage drops to 10.5 volts, at which point you should immediately disconnect the load. This is the discharge cutoff voltage, beyond which you risk damaging the battery. The battery's capacity can then be calculated using the following formula. Battery capacity, A, equals load current * discharge time. 1.2 The load current is the current that the load was drawing. You can measure this with your multimeter, and the discharge time is how long it took for the battery voltage to drop to 10.5 volts.
What does the result mean?
The result you obtain is the current capacity of your battery. You can then compare this with the battery's rated capacity, usually printed on the battery, to determine if the battery is performing at its intended level. By following these steps, you can successfully test the true capacity of a 12-volt AGM battery. Always remember to prioritize safety during this process, and ensure you don't discharge the battery below the cutoff voltage. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and happy testing!